Hello and welcome to another episode of Hyping Tech. Today we're going to be bringing you the best laptop cleaning kits which will give you information of looking after your laptop. So there's loads of things you can do to clean your laptop.
Yes.
You can use stuff you have at home. Of course, we have Tony who's going to be bringing some stuff to the table. We've got some ideas here. So we actually use an old paintbrush which is not used, but like a new one that we didn't use, and you can use that to wipe the keyboard. But these are going to be actual kits that you can get that you can clean your laptop with, and some other kind of hacks that look interesting. So I've gone through Amazon and picked out some of these interesting options to let you know how you can keep your laptop clean. Do you have a laptop, Tones?
You used to had like 20. I don't know if you check out previous videos. You have like a full-on brick stack of.
Yes, because we were gonna look at. You know what? We have to do that video. I don't think I made it because of this Corona thing. Can we even say that word? Because it demonetizes you apparently if you use that word. Yeah, we'll think about it. We'll see. Okay, so we have some computers, laptops that we need to rehydrate, bring back to the table.
Yes.
So we're gonna show you a few cheap and expensive solutions. I've just gone and checked them out right now. So the first one is a super clean gel. So I'm not sure how good this is. It's $8.99.
Wow.
I think it's a one-time use thing though. If you got a keyboard similar to a laptop one like that, and you use that to de-junk it,
that's gel, so that won't last that
long. It'll get dirty. It'll get dirty and dirty and dirtier. You want something that's long-term. So if you're thinking about this, it's get
some kind of spray, like alcohol spray. I used to have that before.
Something you can wipe and reuse. Because otherwise, this will get. Let me see. Have they got anything about it? How to use? Oh, it hasn't got any reviews, so I'll just ignore that one. Okay. There's a few different colors. You got a yellow one.
That's gonna make a difference.
Apart from this is better. So this is basically 2 cleaning brush, a cleaning cloth, alcohol pads, 6 soft bristle brushes. Like the dentist, they have the little brushes to clean your teeth. It's like that. That is a better situation, and that allows you to clean multiple things, even your headphones. And your phone, your earplugs,
so multi-use,
and that's $9.99. So that's a reasonable price. It's 39-piece cleaning kit. I would say that's a good one to go ahead with. Apart from that, here we go again. Bloody gunky junky junk. Family Baby 4-piece magic keyboard cleaner gel sticky. Don't waste your time on that, please. I've opened them up 3 times, so I make sure I tell you don't get them. Here's another 4-piece set, which looks like a little toilet brush. A few little brushes, but brushes are a good way of doing this. Brushes. If I had my I could actually do a live demonstration, but the brush is no longer here. So that's for another video. However, cleaning your laptop is important. If you've got the money, there's a little mini vacuum called electric duster. You can even get compressed air that you go and it cleans it out. Okay, Motovac, Datavac electric vacuum cleaner, just a small handheld one, and it blows out air as well, so you can use it for your camera as well as your.
You probably can use a vacuum.
Like
the ones you use in
make an attachment. It's a bit bulky, but you can get a smaller attachment for it. So that's a quick look at some options to keep your laptop clean. Make sure to comment below and check out our other video where we'll be breaking apart some laptops and working on those. So I'll see you on the next video, folks.
Bye.